Right, sorry I haven't posted for a while, but I've been on with a big job in my garden. I'm taking my decking up and putting a concrete base down, so it's a bigger project than I normally do, so it's taking longer to film and to get done basically. I'm only halfway through it, so that should be an up and coming video in a couple of weeks. But meanwhile, life moves on, doesn't it? And my daughter's just finished 3 years at university and she's come home, and my wife's decided that she wants the kitchen table back, which is where I do most of my editing. So I'm going to have to find another place. So this is where I normally do my editing, on the dining room table. I've done it here for a couple of years, but my wife's decided that now my daughter Alfie is coming back, we need to start eating as a family again, which is fair enough. I can't use the family space for my little indulgences, so I'm going to find somewhere else to start doing my editing. So I've been on the lookout for a desk, and luckily I get desks all the time, and we were doing a clearance the other day fitting out an office, and they had a desk there that they wanted to get rid of. It was just going to go in the skip, so they asked me to take it away. So I thought, right, that'll be ideal. So I brought it home, got it out, and I just need to find somewhere to put it. So this is what I've ended up with. It's 1400 wide, it's 65 deep, so it's ideal for what I want it for. I think it's an IKEA one. There's no labels on it. Hold on. No, there's no names on it, but I think it's an IKEA one. And like I say, it was going to go in the skip, so better in my man cave. When I took it out, I said, do you want to take all this stuff out? And they said, oh no, just chuck it all. So let's see if there's something interesting in here. An old mouse mat. Business cards. Some Earl Grey for the refined. I can't say sell by date on them, but I'm sure they'll be alright. So I've got Twinings, Earl Grey and peppermint. I'll just stick them in the cupboard, let my wife drink a few of them. If she survives, I know they're okay. Diary 2017. Anyway, looks all junk. Not even a decent notepad in here for writing stuff down. Oh, there you go. Bit of a notepad. Keep that. I was going to build my own desk when she told me, but this just came up out of the blue, so this is ideal for now. It fits in all right. It's not pallet wood and it's not solid wood. It's the cheap laminated stuff, but you know, it's fine for now. I might do something with it in the future, but it's a wood looking thing. It looks okay. So now I'm thinking where to put it. I did want to put it down there across that corner, but it means moving the log store, and I ain't doing that because I've nowhere else to put my log store. And then I thought possibly move that sofa and put it in front of the window so I could see out. I might still put it there at some point, but what I think I've decided is to do is clear this corner out, and I'm going to either have it across this way in front of the door because it comes about to the middle of that flag there, or come out this way. I'll see how it looks best anyway. The thing with having it in this corner as well, I've got power in this side at garage, so I can run off that power socket there. The only thing we're putting it here is, this is my barber station. This is where I cut my hair on a Sunday, so I don't want hair getting in my laptop, so I might have to move my barber station somewhere else. I don't like it that way. For one thing, to get it in that corner nicely and neatly, I can't open this drawer. And the other thing is, there's a lot of wasted space behind there, the door, and it's blocking the door off, so I don't like it that way. So I'm going to try it the other way. I think that's a better position for it. I don't think it's quite level. I'm going to have to put some packers under that side. Perfect. Yeah, it's much better there. I'm happy with that. Just need to get my chair now. And the other thing I need to check is that my garage door still opens, because that's the mechanism for my garage door. I think it'll be fine, but I'm just going to check it now. Yep, not wrong with that. Well, do you know what? I should have done this years ago. I should have done it 2 years ago instead of making do with the dining room table. And I changed this chair, by the way, for a comfier chair. This just tucks under now, so this is another space saving thing, where I would have had an office chair and this chair over there. This is a lot comfier now. This is my comfy chair I wrote that song about. But now everything's just in its place and to access. Instead of coming home at night and my wife saying, "Come on, Brett, move your computer off the dining room table," and I gather everything up and move it. Now this can be just left like this. It's just, I should have done this years ago. You know, when you put stuff off, you know, why do we put stuff on? We were talking about this on Shed Space on Thursday night, procrastinating and putting things off. Just crack on and do stuff, and this is just miles better. All I need to do now is just turn the computer off when I've finished and it's done. So I'm just going to edit this video now. Hopefully this will be out tonight. Tomorrow I've got something a little bit different. I'm going to see one of my subscribers that I've been talking to for 2 years, and he's done his house up, and I think he's made his metal gates and his fences. He's done that himself, built sheds, and uses a lot of recycled material. So I'm going down to see him tomorrow, and I'm going to take my camera down and do a bit of a video on it, hopefully. So I'll save the surprise for who it is, and see you next week. I did find a best before date on these tea bags, 27, so they're fine.